preparations are being done for the potatoes. The ground has been cultivated, but cultivating seems to bring all the rocks out. So Wenche is out there right now picking stones. You see, this is the fields that are rented out. It will be, not sure what kind this year, but we'll see. It's already green and getting pretty nice. And these are the stones that we are getting from this field. So it's just a few days until we are ready to get the potatoes in the ground.
Ja, jeg tror snart vi får gjødsla plenen litt sånn. Ja. Du...
Yeah, so the way this works is you put the potatoes in here, and then every 30-40 centimeters you take a potato and you drop it in on each side at the same time. So it will plow down to make room for the potatoes, and then afterwards it will turn the soil into piles to cover the potatoes. Now, I've never used one of these before, but I do have expert help here. So I guess it will probably just take an hour compared to a week if I had to dig it all by hand. So this is a learning experience for me. Alright, so the potatoes are in the ground. I still have a part of the field that I can sow something else. So I might put some carrots down. We'll see. If you see the last two rows here, that stops around here. That's onions, red and yellow onions. The rest is potatoes. It's about yeah, we put down about 80 kilos of potatoes. So we'll see how this ends up. All right, so that part of the spring is done. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.